Today I'm sharing this delicious tropical ceviche made with mango, passion fruit, and a few other ingredients that make it truly special. You can find the full recipe in the description below. Let's get started. We'll begin by preparing the red onion. Over here, I have a bowl of ice water because as soon as we slice the onion, we're going to place it in there. This helps keep the onion nice and crisp, while also removing some of its raw bite. I'm slicing it very thinly, cutting across the onion instead of making rings. If you rather cut the slices in half, you can, but I like leaving them long because I love the way they looked in the finished ceviche. Now let's talk about the fish. Today I am using tilapia, but over here I also have sea bass. Depending on where you live or your budget, you can use either one or do what I'm doing and use a combination of both. When cutting the fish, the size is completely up to you. You can make them small or large, but try to make them all about the same size so they cure evenly. I first cut the fillet in half to get the thickness I wanted, then slice it into strips before cutting it into cubes. Once the fish is cut, add the garlic. I chop mine very finely, but this ingredient is completely optional. If you don't enjoy the taste of raw garlic, I get it. You can simply leave it out. Now, how much lime juice should you add? You don't need as much as you may think. The only goal is to completely cover the fish. And it looks like my limes weren't as juicy as I had hoped, so I had to use quite a few just to cover the fish. Add the salt. Now, stir everything together. You will notice that the fish still looks a little translucent. Let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. After the resting time, you'll even notice that the liquid has turned slightly white. That's another great sign that it's time to add the rest of the ingredients. Next comes the mango. In Costa Rica, we call this a mango pintón, which means it's not completely green, but not fully ripe either. It starts to turn yellow, but it's still firm. Now add the onion. Make sure to drain off as much of the water as possible. We're also adding fresh passion fruit. Next, a little bit of Sprite. And we like to use the clear one because we don't want to change the color of the ceviche. The next ingredient is sugar. It helps balance all of the acidity from the lime juice, the fruit, and everything else. Give everything a good stir. Just look at those beautiful colors. My sister Lisa, the youngest of 4 daughters, taught me how to make this ceviche. I have no clue where she learned it from, but once she brought it into the table, I was like, oh my God, I need the recipe right now. I really hope you'll give it a chance because I don't think you'll be disappointed. Once everything looks this beautiful, season with black pepper and additional salt to taste. After you have adjusted the seasonings to your liking, refrigerate the ceviche for at least 30 minutes. Serve it with tortilla chips, but plantain chips are actually my favorite. If the idea of adding fruit and soda to your ceviche, it's a little too much for you, I totally get it. I'm going to link over here a more traditional ceviche recipe. And if this is your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe. That way you don't miss out any other delicious recipes like this one. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.